Hey guys, it's Rachel, the owner of Radiance Events, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can use helium to inflate this 5 balloon. We've already got the 2, which is up there, and we're just going to add the 5 for a 25th birthday celebration. So I have this helium tank from Balloon Time, very affordable. We've got our helium tank here. We've already turned it 4 times. You have to turn the valve 4 times counterclockwise, and then you just slip on the balloon to inflate. This is so convenient because I used to have to go to Dollar Tree or Party City to inflate any of my balloons, and now I can just do it right at home. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I kind of make a balloon garland with the 25, so stay tuned for that part coming up next. Okay, so now I'm going to set up the balloon garland. I have to be quiet because they're inside and we don't want them to know that we're setting this up.